Hello folks, this is Alan here at Vast Equipment and Truck Sales. Today we're taking a look at this little CX60C Mini X. Man, this machine is like brand spanny new. Do a little walk around video here and then we'll do some operational. New home over there. No, I'm just kidding. Have someone trade in a camper. Nice camper though, if you need one. Just like brand spanking new. It's got super low hours. You can see all the specs and details on our website at vastets.com. With rubber tracks, of course a hydraulic drum, backfill blade. You can see this machine in person at 115 Wisconsin Lane in Mount Airy, North Carolina, or you can visit us on the web. Again, that that web address, is vastets.com, and our telephone number is 336-789-1138. We have financing here at Vast Equipment and Truck Sales. You can visit us on the web and click on financing and fill out an app right online. You can give us a call. We can take that app over the phone. We'd be glad to have a finance manager reach out and discuss financing with you and take an app from you. Whatever we can do to make that process easy for you, we'd be glad to do that here at Vast Equipment and Truck Sales. For all of your equipment and truck needs, we are here to help you and serve you. We also have a rental store and service, so if you have a need for renting equipment, servicing your equipment or trucks, we have a full service department and a rental department. We also have a rental store, Global Equipment Rentals in Piqua, Ohio, if you're in that area and need to rent some equipment. So give us a call today. That number is 336-789-1138. Thanks and God bless.